Today I want to demonstrate tutorial about how to conduct or use Blastp, which is basic local alignment searching tool for protein. So I want to discuss with you guys, which is the comparison of two different type of database, which is DDBJ and NCBI. As we know, we have three type of database in this world, which is NCBI, the most common one, Ensemble, located in Europe. NCBI is located, the center is located in America, and the DDBJ one, which is from Japan. So for today, I want to demonstrate to you guys how to conduct Blastp process in DDBJ and to compare it with NCBI. So which are the most efficient one if you want to conduct Blastp process. So let's go. Okay, first we go to DDBJ and go to the bottom one and click Blast. So I use accession code for Homo sapien mitochondrion, and I click send to Blast. Okay, it take a long time compared to NCBI Blast, so I just skip. So here is the output. As we can see, it don't have so much information that we can obtain compared to NCBI. NCBI, as we look at, we have a lot of information that we can get: description, the graphic summary, alignment, taxonomy, and we can have a expected value. We recover total score and max score. There are so much information that we can get using NCBI Blast compared to DDBJ. So I suggest that it's better for us to use NCBI Blast for us to do a project or something related for Blastp or Blastn. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and hope to see you again. Thank you.